Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. I just posted a video about atrium grates, and here's a follow-up on that. Can you see that grate that's covered with debris? As soon as I pulled the debris off, it begins to drain. Watch what happens when I pull the whole grate off. Look at that. It fills that line to capacity. Now that 4-inch pipe is completely full, and it's still draining. Now look at the atrium grate that we put on yesterday. So here's a follow-up with that atrium grate. You can see how well it worked. A little bit of debris built up on the sides of it, of the atrium, but it drained the area quite well, as you can see. I want to show you one more thing. So here's an area that's pretty low and there's no drainage here at all. Have you ever seen the videos where people take that rod and they stick it down in the ground like this, wiggle it around, and it drains? Have you ever seen those? Well, you can see it doesn't work. But why doesn't it work? It's because the ground underneath is saturated. It's full of water, groundwater. So before you go out in the rain in your puddle and try this, I hope you watch this video because it doesn't work. And push it down in the ground, wiggle it, and it will drain. Have you ever seen those? You see that? Doesn't work. There really needs to be a pipe underground with some type of collection from the surface and discharge to daylight. This little $15 catch basin and a 4-inch pipe, look at what it can do. It can remove that water so quickly. Yes, you need an atrium grate when debris covers that grate, but look at that. It is amazing. $15 and you saved your yard from flooding. These catch basins move more water than any French drain, even an open trench French drain. All we need is a $15 catch basin, and look at the results. Look at that vortex. This is pulling all of the water from this area directly into the pipe. There is a French drain that's attached to this, but look at the surface water being carried away. The surface water is the bulk of the problem during an event rainfall. You must have a catch basin attached to your French drain. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.